What if I told you that drinking clove water before bed could bring numerous benefits, from enhancing digestion to improving sleep quality? Today, we'll explore the surprising benefits of drinking clove water before bed. Make sure to stay till the end to learn how this powerful remedy can not only enhance your overall well-being, but also target specific health issues you might be facing. Number 1. Improves digestion. Imagine you're constantly struggling with indigestion and bloating. Drinking clove water before bed can be a game changer. Cloves contain eugenol, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and digestive properties. Eugenol helps stimulate the secretion of digestive enzymes, thereby enhancing digestion and reducing bloating. Cloves can help in regulating stomach acids, reducing the chances of acid reflux and heartburn. By improving the efficiency of the digestive system, clove water can aid in better absorption of nutrients from the food you eat. This ensures that your body gets the necessary vitamins and minerals it needs for optimal functioning. The anti-inflammatory properties of cloves can help soothe the lining of the digestive tract, reducing inflammation and irritation. This is particularly beneficial for people with conditions like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. Number 2. Natural painkiller. Pain, whether chronic or occasional, can severely impact your quality of life. Clove water with its natural analgesic properties can help. Cloves contain eugenol, which acts as a pain reliever. Eugenol has strong pain-relieving properties. It works by inhibiting certain pain receptors, providing relief from various types of pain, such as headaches, toothaches, and muscle soreness. Together with the anti-inflammatory properties of cloves, they help reduce inflammation in the body, which is often a source of pain. By minimizing inflammation, cloves can alleviate pain associated with conditions like arthritis, muscle soreness, and injuries. Number 3. Relieving respiratory issues. Clove water can provide relief for various respiratory issues due to the beneficial properties of cloves. Cloves act as a natural expectorant, which helps to clear mucus from the respiratory tract. Clove water can alleviate symptoms of coughs and colds and improve overall respiratory function. The anti-inflammatory compounds in cloves help soothe irritated airways and reduce symptoms of respiratory inflammation. By reducing mucus production and inflammation, clove water can improve overall respiratory function. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with chronic respiratory conditions such as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD, or asthma. Before we proceed to the next surprising benefit, be sure to hit the subscribe button. Number 4. Boosts immune system. Cloves are packed with antioxidants, which play a crucial role in neutralizing harmful free radicals. These free radicals can damage your cells and weaken your immune system. By drinking clove water, you enhance your body's ability to combat these threats, keeping your immune system strong and resilient. Also, cloves have strong antibacterial properties that can help protect your body against harmful bacteria. The compounds in cloves, such as eugenol and carvacrol, inhibit the growth of various bacteria, reducing the risk of infections. Besides that, cloves can enhance the activity of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting infections. White blood cells are the body's primary defense mechanism against bacteria, and their enhanced function can lead to a more effective immune response. By drinking clove water, you enhance your body's ability to combat these threats, keeping your immune system strong and resilient. Number 5. Improves oral health. We often overlook the importance of oral health, but it plays a vital role in our overall well-being. Clove water can be a game changer for your mouth. Eugenol is a natural compound known for its antiseptic properties. Eugenol helps reduce bacteria and plaque buildup, making clove water an effective natural remedy for maintaining oral hygiene. It helps to kill harmful bacteria in the mouth that cause cavities, gum disease, and bad breath. Drinking clove water before bed can combat bad breath and prevent gum diseases. The antibacterial properties of cloves also help in soothing sore throats and reducing inflammation in the mouth. This simple nightly ritual can lead to fresher breath, healthier gums, and a significant reduction in oral infections. Number 6. Alleviates stress and anxiety. The eugenol in cloves has mild sedative effects, which help in calming the mind and reducing stress levels. Drinking clove water before bed can become a soothing nightly ritual that helps you relax and de-stress. This calming effect not only aids in falling asleep faster, but also improves the quality of your sleep, leaving you feeling more refreshed in the morning. The reduction in stress and anxiety can also have a positive impact on your overall mental well-being, making clove water an excellent natural remedy for those struggling with the pressures of daily life. Alleviating stress is important, but what if I told you clove water could also support heart health? Number 7. Supports heart health. Heart health is critical for overall well-being. Cloves contain compounds that can help improve heart health by reducing cholesterol levels and improving blood circulation. The eugenol in cloves has been shown to reduce LDL, bad cholesterol, and increase HDL, good cholesterol. Lowering LDL cholesterol reduces the risk of plaque formation in arteries, which is crucial for preventing heart disease. The high amount of antioxidants in cloves help prevent oxidative damage to the heart and blood vessels. This is essential in protecting against atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries, a major cause of heart attacks and strokes. Number 8. Aids in weight management. Are you finding it difficult to shed those extra pounds? Incorporating clove water into your nightly routine could be a game changer. This powerful beverage works by boosting your metabolism, making your body more efficient at burning calories even while you sleep. Cloves also help regulate blood sugar levels, preventing spikes and crashes that lead to cravings and overeating. Drinking clove water before bed can help control your appetite and reduce late-night snack urges. With improved insulin sensitivity, your body can better manage the storage and use of glucose, aiding in weight management. By consistently adding clove water to your diet, you'll find it easier to maintain a healthy weight and reach your fitness goals. Number 9. Supporting liver health. Your liver is the unsung hero of your body's detox system, tirelessly working to cleanse your blood and process nutrients. Cloves contain compounds that enhance liver detoxification enzymes, supporting the liver's ability to cleanse the body of harmful substances. Compounds in cloves help prevent fat accumulation in the liver. Excessive fat accumulation in the liver can lead to fatty liver disease, a common condition that can progress to more serious liver damage. The anti-inflammatory compounds in cloves help reduce inflammation in the liver, promoting better liver function and preventing liver damage. Chronic inflammation can lead to liver diseases such as fatty liver disease, hepatitis, and cirrhosis. Number 10. Enhances skin condition. Healthy, glowing skin often reflects overall wellness, and clove water can play a significant role in achieving this. The antimicrobial properties of cloves are effective in combating acne-causing bacteria, helping to clear up your skin. Additionally, cloves' anti-inflammatory effects can reduce redness and swelling, promoting a more even complexion. Regularly drinking clove water before bed helps maintain healthy skin by fighting off bacteria and soothing inflammation. This natural remedy not only helps prevent breakouts, but also contributes to a smoother, more radiant complexion. Number 11. Assists in diabetes management. Managing diabetes requires vigilant control of blood sugar levels, and clove water can be a valuable tool in this process. Cloves contain compounds that enhance insulin sensitivity and regulate glucose levels. By supporting your body's ability to process sugar more effectively, clove water helps in stabilizing blood sugar levels. Incorporating clove water into your nightly routine provides your body with ongoing support as it works to manage glucose levels overnight. This can be especially beneficial for maintaining balanced blood sugar levels through the night, potentially reducing the risk of morning spikes. Furthermore, clove water may help lower the risk of long-term diabetes complications by supporting better glucose management. Number 12. Promotes urinary health. A healthy urinary tract is essential for overall well-being, and clove water offers a natural approach to maintaining it. Cloves are renowned for their diuretic properties, which help flush out toxins from the body and reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. This detoxifying effect supports a healthier urinary system by aiding in the removal of waste and bacteria. Drinking clove water before bed assists your body in the overnight cleansing process, ensuring that your urinary system remains free from bacterial infections and excess toxins. This can lead to fewer urinary issues and a reduced risk of infections. While clove water supports urinary health, it also plays a role in stabilizing mood. Find out how it can help you maintain emotional balance and resilience next. Number 13. Stabilizes mood. Mood swings and stress can significantly impact daily life, but clove water offers a natural solution for emotional balance. The eugenol in cloves has soothing properties that help alleviate anxiety and promote relaxation. This makes clove water an excellent choice for unwinding after a long day and preparing for restful sleep. Drinking clove water before bed can enhance your ability to manage stress, providing a calming effect that supports a more stable mood. By reducing anxiety and promoting relaxation, clove water helps improve emotional well-being and resilience. This nightly ritual not only contributes to better sleep, but also supports overall mental health by helping you navigate daily stressors more effectively. Number 14. Improves cognitive function. Maintaining cognitive function is essential for staying sharp and focused throughout life. Clove water, rich in antioxidants, provides protection against oxidative stress, which can impair brain function. Eugenol, a key component in cloves, supports brain health by improving memory and cognitive abilities. Regular consumption of clove water helps combat oxidative damage to brain cells, supporting mental clarity and cognitive function. This can lead to better focus, improved memory, and a lower risk of age-related cognitive decline. Number 15. Increases energy levels. Energy levels are crucial for daily activities. Cloves help in boosting energy levels by improving metabolism and promoting better digestion. Clove water helps in improving metabolism and providing sustained energy throughout the day. Drinking clove water before bed can help in increasing energy levels and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. This can lead to better overall well-being and a more active lifestyle. Number 16. Supports vision health. Your eyes are crucial for daily activities, and maintaining vision health is key to overall well-being. Clove water offers a natural boost to eye health through its rich antioxidant content. The antioxidants in cloves, such as eugenol, help protect your eyes from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. This protection is essential in reducing the risk of age-related vision problems, including cataracts and macular degeneration. By integrating clove water into your evening routine, you can support your vision health effectively. This practice not only helps maintain clear eyesight, but also reduces eye strain and discomfort from prolonged screen use. Number 17. Exhibits antiviral and antifungal properties. Keeping your body free from infections is essential for maintaining health, and clove water can be a powerful ally in this regard. Cloves possess strong antiviral and antifungal properties due to compounds like eugenol. These compounds inhibit the growth and spread of harmful viruses and fungi, making clove water an effective natural remedy for bolstering your immune defenses. Drinking clove water before bed can help strengthen your body's ability to fend off infections. By supporting your immune system's resistance to viruses and fungi, clove water contributes to overall wellness and reduces the risk of common illnesses. While clove water protects against infections, it also plays a role in maintaining ear health. Discover how it supports your ears next. Number 18. Maintains ear health. Ear health is often overlooked but is crucial for a balanced and comfortable life. Clove water offers a natural way to support ear health through its antiseptic and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties help prevent ear infections and reduce inflammation, which can be beneficial for soothing earaches and discomfort. Incorporating clove water into your nightly routine can help maintain ear health by providing relief from minor ear issues and reducing the risk of infections. This practice ensures that your ears remain healthy and free from discomfort, contributing to your overall well-being. Number 19. Improves sleep quality. A good night's sleep is essential for rejuvenation and overall health, and clove water can be an excellent aid in achieving it. The calming effects of eugenol in cloves helps to relax the mind and body, promoting a more restful and uninterrupted sleep. Drinking clove water before bed can help ease the transition into sleep, allowing you to fall asleep faster and enjoy deeper, more restorative rest. By incorporating clove water into your pre-sleep routine, you can enhance your sleep quality, reduce sleep disturbances, and establish a more consistent sleep pattern. This improvement in sleep quality contributes to better mental and physical health, ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready to tackle the day. Number 20. Enhances menstrual comfort. Menstrual discomfort can disrupt daily life, but clove water offers a natural way to alleviate it. The anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties of cloves help reduce menstrual cramps and pain, making clove water a soothing remedy for many women. Drinking clove water before bed can provide relief from menstrual discomfort and support a more comfortable cycle. Regular consumption of clove water can also help in regulating menstrual cycles and alleviate other symptoms of PMS. This natural approach contributes to overall menstrual health and comfort, making it easier to manage symptoms and maintain a balanced lifestyle. How to prepare clove water. Boil some water and add 4 to 5 whole cloves to the boiling water. Let it simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the water to remove the cloves and allow it to cool to a comfortable drinking temperature. While clove water is beneficial, it is important to consume it in moderation. Excessive intake of cloves can lead to side effects such as mouth irritation or digestive upset. If you have any underlying health conditions or are taking other medications, consult with a healthcare professional before incorporating clove water into your routine. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and for more amazing videos, subscribe to our channel.